Hey everyone, and welcome into another video. I am still on the road and I will be home later tonight, so I will not be on camera just for today's video, but I will have some more videos up this week, and again I will be back in my normal office space that you guys know that I'm at. I hope everyone has had a lovely Easter weekend, and I hope you're all having a fantastic start to the week. Now let's get straight into this chart. We are looking at ALPP this morning, guys, and again we can see that ALPP is in fact closing at $4.30 as of Thursday. So that was some really good news. I did do a full release update on ALPP and what we can expect moving forward. And guys, it is just a matter of time, hopefully, until that NASDAQ listing does come out. And again, we do see some more bull momentum moving forward. So what am I looking for ALPP today? Well, I have been on their Twitter page, guys, like I said, and there is currently no new news or information about Kent Wilson, or in fact the company moving up to NASDAQ. So that is something that I'm watching very closely right now, and if you would like more update information, guys, and especially when they do have any uplisting, then be sure to join the Patreon. I do have the Patreon up right now, so again I will leave a link below in the description if you would like to join. There is early access with a 50% discount, and again that is for limited slots only, but guys, always note that there are some scammers about. So if there is anyone at any point that does ask for your name or to contact them through obviously WhatsApp, then just report them, because again that is not me. They may be using my profile picture. Just give them a quick report. They are impersonating to be me, and I don't want you guys to get harmed obviously by any of those scams. So what can we expect moving forward for the markets this week? Well, guys, it is worth noting that the NASDAQ is sitting currently at near all-time highs, and the S&P 500 is currently at all-time highs. We did cross that 4,000 barrier, and again, that is all due to the fact the employment rate figures did come out on Friday, and again they were very good. So obviously that's why we have seen that big shoot in that share price, and I think this is going to continue the momentum, the bull momentum, moving forward through April, and again that is going to allow us to hopefully have some nice returns on those growth stocks. But guys, it is worth noting that this tech sell-off, like I said, I think has bottomed out, but we are going to see those small spike backs throughout the year, and this is all going to be corresponded and related to, of course, the interest rates decision moving through. Now, why is the interest rates moving up? Well, that is because there is so much capital right now being pumped into the markets, and we can see that because obviously Joe Biden is announcing plans such as these, where he's pumping in obviously trillions of dollars, and also on top of that he has now pointed 2.3 trillion in infrastructure plans. So there is so much money, guys, going into the economy. That is why we are going to see a raise in interest rates, which will actually start to spike down those growth and tech stocks in the short term. And again, that is because the PE ratios are at kind of all-time high levels where they have not been for many years. Now, it is worth noting, guys, that the boost in the electrical vehicle makers is going to be a plan for $174 billion in investments. And again, if we come onto the Tesla pre-markets, we did have the delivery numbers, like I said to you guys at the weekend. Tesla absolutely smashed it. And you can see that we are up about 7.5% in the pre-market today, sitting over at $700. So what I will be looking, guys, is if Tesla does in fact have any more weakness, then again, this would have been a really nice place to have loaded our boats. This is why I always say never sell on those red days, guys. Don't panic sell, because again, look at what happened if you were to buy Tesla at $550. You would now be sitting up at around $700 just after about a week or two. So that is some really lovely upside, guys, and this is why we don't panic. We don't sell the news, and again, we buy the news and we sell the rumor. So that is what we do on this channel. We look for those weakness days, guys, because that's going to lower our risk. We buy on those red days at oversold levels on the RSI, which is what I always teach you guys, because that is when you're in fact going to make most of your money, because then you could be selling up here when the stock has moved up over another 25%. So guys, right now I will be looking to in fact add Tesla for the long run, because they are obviously doing so well. So I do want to expand that area of my portfolio, but I don't want to buy today, guys. I will be looking for any more weakness down to that 21 EMA, or the 21 SMA and 50 SMA levels, and again that is when I will look for the 50 on the RSI or below, and that's when I will start to add in to those positions of those Tesla shares moving forward. Cathie Wood has a price target on Tesla for the end of the year of £4,000, and like I said, with the Joe Biden plan that we did just talk about here with the electrical vehicles, I do think that those plays such as Gevo, the green energy play, which I did do a video about yesterday, if you guys did see it, then well done, because that was a fantastic stock that I am watching, so you guys know what I'm doing there. But we also have Blink Charge, guys, which is ticker symbol BLNK. We also have Chargepoint, which is ticker symbol CHPT. So guys, these are two stocks that I am watching. I don't want to buy them at these all-time highs where they are overstretched on the RSI. And when I say over, you know, the all-time highs there, guys. What I mean is they have pushed up right now over the last week to those high levels. So I am looking for this share price to in fact equalize, come back down, obviously for that spike to come back down, now that we will get some selling and people will be taking some profits. And again, hopefully we will see those prices of $25 and below, and hopefully that will be a nice place to load our boats. But again, because these plays are going to be influenced by, of course, the Joe Biden plan moving forward, but I don't want to get in at these levels because I do think that there will still be a small sell-off. And again, if we can get in under $28, then it's going to be better than buying in, obviously, the pre-markets right now, as you can see, at $31. So that is what I'm doing with Chargepoint and Blink. I am watching them. They are on my radar, but I do want them to come down in prices before I, in fact, enter, because in the long run, I think that these two plays are going to be quite lovely. Now, some other stocks that I have got on our watch list right now, which you guys know I'm very bullish on, is Disney, ticker symbol DIS. Who doesn't love the Walt Disney Company? A company I used to work for as a face character for many years back when I was living in Paris, and I absolutely love this company. They are fantastic, and as an employee, I have nothing bad to say about them. I think that once the cruise lines, guys, start to reopen, that is going to be a big tick for Disney. We also have the parks hopefully reopening this month, and again, we also have that Disney Streaming Plus service, you know, for their TV station. So moving forward, I do see the shares of Disney moving up to around $245 to $280 by the end of the year. That is my conservative and my bullish estimate. So that would give us a lovely upside, guys, of more than 30% from the current share price. So I am looking to capitalize on this as a recovery play, which will hedge against, you know, all of those other plays in the portfolio that are moving very, very much up and down with a lot of volatility. So Disney could be that nice kind of long-term stable growth play that will actually, in fact, act as a recovery stock. So I am looking to add more shares of this, but I will wait for, again, those dipping opportunities to buy in on the red days. And again, if we do, in fact, come back down below, we hit those areas of 40 or 30 on the RSI, that is the times, guys, that I am looking to get into these stocks. NNDM, guys, is another stock I'm watching closely. And like I said, if we do, in fact, come back down below that $7, then this is going to be a nice chance to load the boat, especially if we hit that really, really strong layer of support that you guys can see we have tested twice before, which is around that $7.50 to $6 range. This is going to be a really, really lovely long-term hold for me because the 3D printing space is set to grow. Now, another stock I am watching very, very closely right now, again, is TDOC Health. And you guys know I am very bullish on this stock. We have a very strong layer of support sitting around that $180 to $175 range, which I had pointed out, and I did do a full breakdown on them. And you guys can see that we have another layer of support, which is where we are sitting today at around $182. So what I am expecting in the short term, guys, is for us to have some volatility. And again, moving forward, I do expect the tech sector to do well. By the end of the year, it's predicted that it is going to be up over 17%, guys, in returns. But like I said, this could actually be downgraded because of the fact that we have all of those inflation fears and the interest rates to put into place. So we may not actually hit the target of 17%, so we will just have to play it by ear. But long term, I think that these high growth stocks are going to do extremely well, especially with their subsidiary, guys, that TDOC have merged with, because you guys know they are, in fact, with an artificial intelligence system that could be worth trillions of dollars, which is why Cathie Wood does hold it as her #1 position in her ARC-G ETF, guys. And again, she does hold it in 2 other of her ETFs. So I am looking to capitalize on this moving forward because I do think that TDOC Health is going to be a nice stock. And at these levels, like I said, when we do get down to the overstretched levels where it's been oversold on the RSI, and you do see those fundamentals start to line up, then that is when we can start to profit and capitalize by getting our buy entries on lowering our risk and then selling when we do, in fact, have those larger swings up. So guys, those are some of the stocks that I am watching today. If you would like a full breakdown on our Mara play, then again, be sure to check out the video I did 2 days ago, because I am looking to capitalize on any downgrade or decrease in the price of Bitcoin moving forward, because again, I love trading our Mara play. And if you would like to get access to any of my buy and sell alert signals, guys, then be sure to check out the Patreon. Would love to have you on board. Again, welcome to this family, investors. If you are new, don't forget to go down there and smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and again, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope that you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.